cactus kind. J for jackfruit, big you'll find. K for kiwi, brown and green. L for lemon, sour and clean. M for mango, summer delight. N for nectarine, smooth and bright. O for orange, full of zest. P for pineapple, tropics best. Q for quincy, yellow and bold. R for raspberry, red and cold. S for strawberry, heart-shaped fun. T for tangerine, like orange, just one. U for ugly fruit, funny name. V for valvanga, wild fruit fame. W for watermelon, big and sweet. X for emzigua, Chinese treat. Y for yellow passion fruit, full of flair. Z for ziziphus, rare and rare.